or purchase from yung mga handmade na cloth diapers. So, should I name brands? Or is it okay? So, basically dito sa bahay, we only have
Hi everyone, lalo na sa mga mommies from Panabo. Hello, Mommies of Panabo. I am pretty sure you are watching this vlog because you love our guest for this episode. And walang iba kundi si Mommy Flong. Mommy Flong, hello! Thank you so much for saying yes. Naks naman, nakuha ko talaga yung Queen of Mommies of Panabo. Thank you so much. Sabi ko nga sa intro ko, alam ko sa mga Mommies of Panabo na nanonood nito, love na love niyo ang ating guest for this episode. And that's true because your personality is really lovable and you are humble and you are very accommodating. Ayan. But we would like to know you better, Mommy Flong. So, I have prepared 4 questions. Alam mo na ang questions na to. Lahat kayo, mga guests dito, alam niyo na kung ano yung mga questions natin. So, let's start! How do you empower moms through your branding and niche?
Okay. Mom's Daily Life, which is, that is yung page ko po, is all about godly marriage and intentional parenting. As we all know, family is the very basic unit of our society and its foundation. But unfortunately, it is also something that is crumbling and falling apart these days. So sad, diba? That's why, through my page, I hope to empower other moms by not just encouraging them to, start putting themselves out there and let their voices be heard by everyone. But I hope to empower them by encouraging them to, alam mo yun, Mami Ara, start creating a positive impact and a positive influence in their family first and foremost. Kasi before we need to take a stand or before we need to stand up for a call to change the world, we also need to be sure that we are strong enough to stand for our family. And that means we need to start on the very basic call that we have as a mom, and that is building strong marriage and creating a strong relationship within our family for a much stronger community and a much stronger nation. Ayun. Yun.
I love it, Mommy Flong. I love it. It's so you. Totoo. Because you cannot empower moms if they do not empower themselves from their family mismo. Diba? Kailangan nagsimula talaga yan sa moms, sa mga mama. Sama nato ng mga mama. Ayan. Yes. Next question, Mommy Flong. What is one learning experience that you had as a child made much impact on you? Dapat ganito daw pag sinagot yan. Kasi pang Miss Universe yan. Yes, I got that question from Miss Universe na preliminary interview. And ako rin napaisip din ako when I heard that question. So ngayon, ibabato ko sa inyo yung question na yan para alam din namin kung ano yung one learning experience na yan.
Yes. So, uunahin ko, thank you so much for that beautiful question. But yes, Mami Ara, I grew up in a family where budgets is always in constraints. Kasi di naman everyday may income yung farm, and my father is a farmer. But our parents instilled in us, alam mo yun, how to be grateful even in small things in life, and how to be always kind and to be always giving to others even through your words. Na if ever may humihingi ng tulong sa'yo and wala kang maiabot like monetary or material things, you could still uplift them through your words of encouragement.
That's why Mommies of Panabo ay nabuo, diba? And Mommy Flong, I'd like to say na your words are really powerful and your words are really helpful. You empower moms, especially in Panabo, because I can see that your community is growing and kaka-anniversary nyo lang, kaka-second anniversary nyo lang. So, congratulations.
Yes! Thank you so much.
Yes, congratulations. You deserve that because you've been very, ano bang tawag dyan? You've been a good leader to the moms, diba? An influencer to them. Ayan. Speaking of being a mom, Mommy Flo, can you please name 3 things that you love using for your child this year? You can name brands if you want, but I'm sure most of that mga local products kasi you love supporting local
Yes.
mompreneurs.
Yes. Thank you for that, Mommy Ara. Yes, definitely we love supporting local mompreneurs and our makers. That's why one of the most product that we love using is cloth diapers. Alam niyo ng mga followers namin, we are a cloth diapering family. So, and although I know there's a lot of mass manufactured cloth diaper brands out there, but ayun nga, we love to support our makers. So we usually support or purchase from yung mga handmade na cloth diapers. So, should I name brand? Oh, is it okay? So, basically dito sa bahay, we only have we brand rep or we definitely use Eco Nappies, Joyful Bath, Bottoms Up, and then we also support yung mga startup na mga wall makers natin. So we have Wincy Philly, Hermes Scrum, and E-Washable. Sana wala akong na-miss. But yes.
Memorize mo na talaga lahat ng mga brands ng cloth diapers, Mommy Flo.
Ay, naku, actually, madami yan sila. Madaming nag-boom na mga brands na mga maker this year, Mommy Ara. But we would like to make it like very consistent to our followers, and we just want to try we just want to promote kung ano talaga yung parang proven and tested na dito sa family namin. And yes, that's number 1, cloth diaper. And then number 2, we are also into baby wearing, and our love for baby wearing is so big. Alam niyo po yun, that it pave way for us, for me, and even for my husband to share our passion even to other families and inspire them to, promote parenting attachment or attachment parenting for their kids, and for parent and kids na attachment talaga. So for this one, we also support our local brands na meron tayo dito sa Philippines, especially those local, ano ba tawag nun? Weavers, tama?
Yes.
Yes.
I'm not familiar with other brands. Yung alam ko lang na mga brands of baby wearing, yung Tula, Ima ba tawag doon isa?
Yes, Ima is from the Philippines.
Yes, Ima. Yung sa amin, second hand, yung nabili ko, Ima yung brand. Nakita ko rin siya sa isang Facebook group. Yes. And it's so good. As in, super tibay pa niya kahit ngayon.
Yes, totoo. We also have Ima with Mia before, but now we have Shadrach, and then we have Nanay at ako. Oh my God, I think my daughter is up.
It's so cute!
So sorry about it.
It's okay. That's mom life. I love it. Mommy Flo, before you proceed with your third favorite brand or product that you use for your children, I just want to note na same kayo ng sagot ni Mommy Princess Velasco. And if yes, I'm pretty sure yung mga mommies din, kilala nila kung sino si Mommy Princess Velasco, the one and only acoustic princess. So, panoorin nyo yun. December 2 yung episode niya. So, you should also watch it dito din sa ating Vlogmas. Now, Mommy Flo, let's continue with your third favorite thing or item for your kids.
Come on, it's not really something big, but this is something na super alam ko, lahat tayong mga mommies meron nito. Baby wipes. It's the Swiss knife of motherhood. Super parang multi-purpose. Lahat na tayo meron yan, and in everything that we do and everywhere that we go. So, yes, baby wipes. And dito sa bahay, we have Pure Baby and Baby Moby. Yeah.
Diba? Yung mga brands na yan, they are very soft. Pero yung favorite ko na baby wipes, for sure, di naman to branded vlog, diba?
Oh,
I also
yeah.
mention that my favorite brand wipes is, brand ng wet wipes ay yung Pampers. Kasi, napakatibay niya, as in ganun. Tapos yung pag tinatamad na akong maghilamos, oops, sorry, TMI, wag ng makeup every night, yun na yung pinatatanggal ko. Ayan. Anyway, fourth question, Mommy Flong, since it's Christmas and we are doing this video for Vlogmas, like that's Vlogmas, vlog for Christmas. What is your Christmas message to parents who are watching this video?
Yes, first and foremost, Merry Christmas to everyone, no? I know this pandemic has really put us in a very difficult situation. No question about that. But as parents, I would like to say now, we can look on the other side and be grateful that this pandemic has made us or has given us more time to spend inside our homes. And I hope that we will use that or utilize that time to create a deeper and more intentional time with our kids and our spouse so that we could build a more stronger relationship with them, especially this Christmas, Mommy Ara. This is such a very great and wonderful season wherein we could start alam mo yun, a more intimate tradition with our family. So that, alam mo yon, when the world is ready to open na for us, yung parang, wala na si pandemic, wala na si COVID-19, we are more empowered na as a mom to take our stand in our community and to start empowering others. Kasi alam natin, secure na yung relationship natin with our family. So, ayun, make this season as a season to create a more intimate tradition with your family. Merry Christmas, everyone!
I love that. Diba? Let's make this an intimate season para sa ating family. Ayan. Thank you so much, Mami Flong, for your wisdom. I'm sure marami pa kaming aabangan sa mga social media channels mo. Please do invite our moms and dads to also follow you on social media.
Yes! Hello everyone! Again, I'm inviting you to follow our social media pages. It's Mom's Daily Life on Facebook and at Moms_Daily Life on Instagram. So, ayun nga, we'll continue to share all about intentional parenting and godly marriage. And for quick entertainment and my learning na din, ayan, may TikTok na kami. Nakagaya kami sa'yo. Ayun, it's also at Mom's Daily Life. And for family fun and adventure, follow our YouTube channel. Promise, lalagyan na namin yun ng videos. It's Aragones Express po. Ayun, thank you so much!
I am excited to watch your YouTube vlogs, especially pagdating sa mga activities ng bata. I want to see how you homeschool them.
Yes, exactly.
Mommy Flong, once again, thank you so much for your time. I know you are a busy mama, lalo na ngayon, November, December, napaka-busy talaga ng lahat ng mga momfluencers, especially you. But thank you so much for giving me 15 minutes of your time, and I really admire you. Lahat ng mga guests ko dito sa Vlogmas na to, they are all special and dear to me kasi they have helped me in so many ways. They have been my inspiration and they are my friends. Diba? Kahit virtual lang, online lang, they are my friends. And you are one of them, Mami Flong. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Ara.
Para rin sa mga mommies and daddies na nanonood ng vlog na to, please do comment below if you have Christmas messages or mga questions about kay Mommy Flong. Baka may mga follow-up question kayo dun sa mga sinabi niya, especially dun sa mga favorites niya. I'm sure maraming katanungan dun, lalo na sa mga moms na mahilig sa cloth diaper. O diba, na-curious, nagbagting dahil ng mga kuan ba, ang mga, sana siya, light bulb na to din ha. Once again, thank you so much, Mommy Flong, for everything. Thank you, moms and dads. Until our next vlog. Bye!